So right now, no products are available. Okay. If you go to type, you have a list of types. You go to brand, you have a list of brands. Now I'm going to create a few brands. I say Samsung, Vivo is one of the brand. Edit, remove mobile so that I have a proper brands. Create another brand as Reliance. Okay. So I created 3 brands. Now go to type. Here I go create television. Okay, this is one of the type. Why, what happened? No route matched for the supplied values. Just go here. Go here. Type controller. Create type. Now go to type. Hold on a second. Okay, now you got it. Let's run. See, you got the type. Now here you say television, submit. Okay. So what you need to do in the type controller, go here. There is a create type model. Something is wrong here. So the redaction action is what? List type. This one we never fixed. After creating the type, it should be list type, not index. Save, create type, put a breakpoint, run a project. Now go to types, delete. Let's create another type as refrigerator and submit. Now it's created a type. Okay, you got the brands, you got the types. Everything is created. Say sir, no. Biren, Ajit, Akil, Ashok, everyone.
Yes.
Mahesh. There are 12 people in this group, so I want answer from everyone. Sachin. Sachin, please unmute yourself. Now, I'm planning to create a product. Here I'm going to create a product. So first, what I need to do, let me remove everything, close
Go to
all
control.
tabs. First, go back to the solution. Let's take a controller of product. Okay. In the product controller, you are going to create a route. What is your route? Public, iAction, create product. Okay. And return view. Okay. So what you will do, right click, add view, razor empty, say the view name as create product. Did I create it in HTML? Say yes or no. Whenever I call this controller, I will call this. Now here, I say HTTP get. Okay. So whenever I click on the index.cshtml of your product, where is that index.cshtml? In this index.cshtml, you say here action. What is your controller name? Product is your controller, and your action is create product. See, this is the action you have to create product. When you click on this create new product, this method will call. Now you see. Let me run this. Now when you click create product, it is not happening anything. Why? Your controller name is product. Your action method is create product. Is it correct? Okay. Clean your solution. Build your solution. Now try to run the project. The moment right click view source.
You need to mention route.
1 second. Okay, got it. Thanks. So what is the problem here? You have to mention route, create product. Okay. Once you mention the route create product, it will automatically run the program. When you click, you see it is hitting. When you continue, a plain page is coming or not. Everybody, Pallavi, Prasanna, Sachin,
Yes, sir.
Shubham,
Yes.
everyone, Ajit,
Yes, sir.
Ashok, Akhil,
Yes, sir.
you got the point, right? So now, before I have to go this, do I need to build a UI for the HTML of create product? I need to add a layout, right? So what I will do, I will use this layout equal to views slash product slash create product dot cshtml. Okay, so this is the one we are doing here. You see here. Okay, so what you need to do, you copy this. Sorry, this should be shared and share slash underscore layout dot cshtml. This is the one. Okay, so you copy this one. Okay, just paste so that the layout will be added by default. Now, when you run a project, you see I'll get a menu. When you click product, you got a menu. In the create product, you got a menu or not? Layout page is added or not? Say yes or no. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right, please talk. Okay. Now, what you need to do, go to solution. First, you need to create a model for the create model. Okay. So what you will do, right click, add new item, class, simply say create product model. Okay. I create a product model, remove enter namespace, public. And then let's build the entities. What I will do, take this product model, copy this data, go back in the create model, just copy this data. Now you got the product ID, name, everything. Do we need a product ID? ID should be generated automatically, so you don't need the product ID. I remove the product ID. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a required attribute saying that error message, product name is required. Understand? Same way, you are going to put everything. Home, file path I will do later. File path tomorrow I will do. Today I'm going to do only these things. GST I don't want to give because GST will be auto-calculated. Okay. So these two are auto-calculated. GST and product total cost will be auto-calculated. So what you need to do? You need a product cost. Okay. You don't need this stuff. Only these are all the 5 parameter attributes is required. So what you will do here, description. Okay. Now come here, this one, choose brand is required. Brand name is required. Okay. Don't have a choose, remove this, simply say like this. Here, type name is required. Okay. And then you say here product cost is required. Understand? Everyone? Say yes or no. Ajit, Akhil, Ashok. Guys, please unmute and talk. Akhil.
Yeah.
Okay. And then here you pass string length, comma, length equal to length of 200. Why length is not working? Parameter, comma, length. No. How to add a length? Okay. Okay, remaining thing I will teach later tomorrow. Okay, now you have a create product model. Now what I want to do I need to pass this product model to the view or not? Say yes or no. Do I need to pass the product model to the view? So to pass that product model, what you need to do? You simply call come down in the brand controller, how you are passing the create of get method. You see, you are simply returning the same way you are returning. Now in the create model.cshtml, in the top, you using catalog model dot models dot product models, and then model product create product model, create product model, and then you need to add a tag helper. Okay, so copy this tag helper, paste here. Okay, so you got the tag helper, layout, everything is come. Now, what I want to do? Let me do a design. Design how I am going to do. Div class row empty-3. Okay, first I have to create a row. In this row, I'm going to have div class call -lg-12 call -sm-12 call -empty-12. Okay, and then div class h1 tag. Here I'm going to say create product. Understand? And then I want to align this text-center. Now you see the process. When you click create product, you see you got a create product here as a center. Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Now
Right.
you need to do a few more things. A little bit of alignment is required. In the create type, I added a one more attribute. You see MX auto rounder border. This also you are adding. Copy this, go back. You just say I'm going to use this. And then here, instead of 6, I'm going to give 8. Now what will happen? A border will be added in the paragraph tag. Now here, come down, create product, and then I'm going to use horizontal line. Okay, I created a horizontal line. Now what I'm going to do, I take this Where is that one? I take this one, this part. Okay, copy in the create product. I just paste. Here I will say product name. And here it should be product name. Okay, now here you have to use product name. Here you have to use product name. Now you see I got a product name with the row. Simple. What I did is I created a row with top header, and then I'm using a form label with the SM tag where product name is equal to product name ASP for, and then within the ASP for I'm using a small tag input type is equal to product name. Now if you run it, you see those are not build this type and brand. I'm trying to build once again so that you will understand. When you click new product, you see I got a product. You got a product or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, but it
Right.
is not center aligned. So what you need to do, better to have these two is within this div. Okay. So the first div is row, second div is your column, and then you will have a header, and then under that you are having a row. Okay. So this is the proper alignment. Now if you run it, you see the alignment is properly fixed. Just give me 30 to 40 minutes, I'll finish. Now click on create product. See, product name is properly aligned. Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Others. Ajit, Akhil, Bora, Pallavi.
Yes.
You all got the point, right? Mahesh, Prasanna, Sachin, Subham, Srinivas Rao. And then after that, what you need to add? You need to take same thing, paste here. You say product description. Copy the product description, paste, paste. You say here description. Is it a multi-text box or a single text box? Do I need to use a multi-text box or a single text box? If it is a description, do I need a multi-text box or a single text box?
Multi-text box.
Multi-text box.
Multi-text box. So to do multi-text box, what you need to do, you have to remove this input type equal to test. Simply use text area. Understand? Now save all. I don't want to refresh the entire page reload. You see there is an hot reload. When you do an hot reload, you got the data? Now here, you should remove this. You add a text area like this. Now, once you've done that, refresh. You go and see the UI is rendering. UI is rendering or not?
Yes.
Now, hot reload. Got the text box? Say yes or no. I got a product name. I got a product description. Everybody? Akhil. Now I got a product name, I got a product description. So what is the next property? What is our next property? Can anyone tell me? Next property is brand
Brand
ID.
ID.
Yeah.
Brand ID.
So what do you need to do? You copy this div, paste here. Here you say brand ID, but here you have to say brand name. Akhil, you asked me, right? I need to populate data from the DB through a select option. So this is the one I'm going to do. Okay. So what I will do, I'll remove this. I will use select. Okay, here option value equal to 0. I say hyphen select brand. Okay, got it? Akhil AM. Okay, so you have to use option select brand. Now, what you need to do for the validation? Before you have to do the validation, select here ASP hyphen for, you have to say brand ID. Okay, and then in the ASP.NET validation, you have to say brand ID. Okay, so this is how you have to select the data. Okay, so now you need to populate this data dynamically. I'll come that point. Okay, now when you refresh, you see you got the select brand.
Yes.
But it is not properly aligned. You need certain class. So what is your class? You simply use ASP class is equal to select form control. Okay, if you use a form control, refresh, you see you got a brand. Say yes or no, it will act as a form control or not?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
It all got act as a form control. Now what I want to do, I got a product name, I got a product description, and then I have the brand name. Then finally I have a type name. So due to type name, just copy, paste. Now here you're going to say type ID.
Type ID.
Here you have to say type ID. Here you say type ID. Here you have to say type name. You got the type ID with the type name. Now save all, reload.
Select type.
You see, I have a brand, I have a, okay. Here you have to make it as select type. Okay. Now save all, reload. When you reload, you see, I got a brand, I got a type. Now what is your final thing? The last thing is product cost. Okay. So what you will do? You will copy this, paste, you say here product cost. Now here, instead of select, product cost, input type equal to number, ASP hyphen for equal to product cost. I have to use like this. Now when I save, reload, you see I can enter only numbers. I can't enter any characters. I can only enter numbers. Understand? Okay, now this should be a form control. So what I want to do, I have to add here class form hyphen control. It will be act as a form control. Now save all, reload. See, I got a form control. I got everything. Page is created or not? Say yes or no. Everyone.
Yes.
Now what
Yes.
is your final thing? You want a submit button. So go to
Submit, cancel.
create type. You just take this guy, okay, as it is, home, paste. Okay. Now come back, reload your page. See, you got the submit and cancel. You got a submit and cancel or not?
Yes.
Okay. Did I created a form? I'm having a product name, I'm having a product description, I'm having a brand, I'm adding a type, I'm adding a product cost. Here I have to change it to product cost. So come up here, you have to say product cost, right? So I created a product cost. Now what I want to do, I want to give a reload. When I reload, what will happen? Product cost comes, type name comes, brand name comes, product description comes, name comes. Now everything is done. When you click and submit, the data will be submitted. To submit the data, do I need to have all the divs under form control or not? Say yes or no. All these
Method
divs
equal to post.
come under a form control. So what I want to do, form method post. Okay. Now within the post, you cut everything. Paste. Now save all, reload the page. Now go back. You see right click, view page source. You see there is a method called post, and you have all the data validations, whatever the data valid required. Everything is available here. I'm not doing anything. I'm simply giving a data validation required and data validation message. Replacing is true. Everything is created. Now, what is the next topic? Do I need to load data for brand ID and type ID? Am I right? Which is dynamically load data for brand ID and type ID or not?
Populate.
Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Others.
Yes.
Pallavi, Nitin, Ajit Sakre.
Yes.
So to do that, first what you need to do, where is your product brand controller, product controller? In this product controller, can I inject iBrand service and iType service here? Because iBrand will give the list of brand, iType will give the list of type. So first what I want to do, in this constructor, I'm going to use iBrand service, brand service, comma, iType service, type service. Now, do I need to create a parameter for that? So what I will do, underscore brand service equal to brand service. Okay. Underscore type service equal to type service. Now what I will do, I'll create a private variable, quick action, read only field. Quick action, generate read only field. Now I created a two variables. Now in the create, before you call this create product, what you need to do, call brand list. Okay, call brand list. So what I'm going to do, where brand list equal to this dot underscore brand service dot get brands. Will this get brand will return all the brands or not?
Right.
Will this get brand will return all the brands? Once I
Right.
receive the brand, I'm going to hold in a variable. Am I right? Now what I will do, I'm going to call a type. Call type list, where type list equal to this dot underscore type service dot list types.
This
Okay,
create product will be looks like the page load method, right? In page load, all the drop down will get loaded with the list.
absolutely correct.
Okay.
Absolutely correct. Every individual page you will have a page load option, page load method, right?
Yeah, in ASP.NET.
In ASP.NET. Here, every action method will be treated as a independent
Load, page load.
page load. You understand? Now, I want to pass this brand list and type list to my view. I should not pass through view. What I will do, I create a view bag dot brands equal to brand list. What I'm saying, whatever the brand list I'm receiving, I'm going to keep it in the view bag. Same way, view bag dot type. I can say types. So whatever the brands which are available in the brand list is going to be held in the view bag dot brands. Whatever the type list you are holding, you are going to hold in the view bag dot types. Now, these brands and types, I'm going to collect in my create product CSHTML. How I'm going to collect here is, I'm going to write a razor HTML at, before I'm going to do an at, here, I'm going to inject two catalog models dot brand models, because I need a object, right? Using catalog models dot type models. Now here I will write a code like this: list of brand model brands equal to view bag dot brands. Okay, I'm doing a typecasting. Now list of type model, I'm going to use types equal to view bag dot types. So what will happen? This view bag will pass data from controller action method to your view. Understand? Understand or not? So view bag is basically passing controller action method to your HTML view. So that is the reason we are using a view bag. Now I got a brand, I got a type. Now what I will do? Come here. I'm going to write a code here saying that at for each brand model, brand in brand models. Okay. here I'm going to say option value brand dot id brand dot name. Control A, K. Now what will happen? This guy will load all the brands which are created in the database with the help of ViewBag. Now same way I'm going to build here. How I'm going to build at for each type model type in types. Okay, and then I say option value at type dot id at type dot name. Okay, so you got the type ID, you got the type name. Now go back, load the page. Create product. You got the data?
Yes.
You got the data? Say yes or no, everyone. You got the data or not?
Right.
Ashok, Akil, Bora Bhargav, Mahesh, Sachin, Prasanna Kumar Oram, Shubham,
Yes.
Biren Mohammed, Srinivas Rao. Srinivas
Yes.
is there. Yeah, Srinivas Rao.
Yes, sir. I'm following.
Understand, right? You
Yeah,
got the
understand.
data.
Yeah.
This is how you have to do it. Now, what do you have to do? Now you need to post a method. So when you are posting, what is this one? Right?
Product create controller.
Create product.
Okay.
Now, when you click a submit, what you need to do? When you click a submit of this button, go to product controller, write a code, public, iAction, create product, where create product model. Am I right? Model. Okay. View return model. No, don't use view return model. If the product is written, redirect to action. You simply
Index
say
dot.
index. Because once you created the product, you are going to redirect to the menu. And here,
HTTP
use
post.
HTTP post. And then you have to use route,
Create product.
create.
Product.
Why you want to create a product? Right? Now,
Method name.
save all, put a breakpoint, run it. create product. You say product name is Samsung mobile. Here you say Samsung mobile description. Your brand is Samsung. This is mobile. Product cost is 23,000. Okay, you got a cost. Now, the moment you click submit, you see I got a model with all the data. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Q. You got a product name. You got a product description. You got a cost. You got a brand ID. You got a type ID. Clear my point?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yeah.
It's a simple call. Now what I want to do? Do I need to store this in the database? Am I right? Once you enter the data, you have to store it in the database. What to do?
Go to interface.
First, what I need to do? Just go to my
Interface.
interface. Where is my interface? Here. iProduct service. Here. Void. Create product. Supply. Create product model. Because I don't want to pass the model here. Simply say,
Model.
better to have a model. Okay. Now, do I need to implement this model in my service method?
Yeah. Yes.
Nobody is speaking. That's fine for me. Open. Right?
Implements.
Implement interface. Now go here. Take a create product model. Here. What do you need to do first?
Validation.
Model. Simply say what? Create product model is not null. Understand? If model equal to null, you have to do this. And then what do you need to do? If model is not null, what do you need to do? Product model equal to new of product model. You have to map the data.
Yeah.
Do we need to map the data or not? Say yes or no?
Yeah.
Do I need to map the data or not?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to do, product, first what I need to do, ID equal to UID dot
UID. New ID.
new UID, comma, name
Product name. Product name.
equal to description equal to cost equal to
Brand ID.
brand ID equal to type ID equal to image name is there, na? Image file path. Right now, you say some image xyz dot jpg. I'll come there. Okay, right now I'm hard coding. Okay.
Cost.
Now you need a GST equal to 18, comma. Now you need a total cost, right? You need a total cost or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Total cost.
Total cost equal to create total cost. You need to pass
New method.
GST, it is not coming, model dot product cost, you have to pass. So when you pass this, right click action, create a method. Am I creating a private method?
Right.
Am I creating a private method? Now what I will do, int total cost equal to product cost into 18 divide 100 and then return total cost. So the method total cost will create a GST for you with the 18%. Ashok,
Yes.
Akhil, Ashok, Bora. Am I writing a business logic in the service layer or not? Product service is my layer. In this layer, I am writing a business logic. We discussed, right? In the service layer, you do business validation and business logic. Till now, we never prepared any business logic. This is the first business logic I'm building. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? Mahesh, Nitin, Prasanna, Sachin, Subham, Srinivasaram.
Yes.
You got the point? Now, done. We need to do this dot
Product underscore
right,
product.
dot
Add
add. You pass product model.
product model. Save
This
changes.
dot underscore product repository dot
Save
save
changes.
changes. So whenever you enter a data, this model will be created and this will be fired. Now, do I need to call this method in your controller or not? Here you need to pass a controller or not?
Correct.
This dot underscore product service dot create product, pass a model. So before you do the model, do we need to validate this model if you are passing any null?
Yes.
So what you will do? If not model dot is valid. Sorry, model state dot is valid, right? If not model state dot is valid, what you will do? Simply return view of model. Okay? When you submit, if the model doesn't have any data, the error message will be displayed. Now you see. Click on a create model, come down, simply click on submit. You see model is null. No data is available. Now your model state is false. Now if you see F11, it is coming in, returning a state. What null reference? Okay. You need to add this logic also once again. Every time when you do the model state, you need to add this logic. Which logic?
Branch dot count.
No, these guys are come. Every time you are passing, you have to pass this also. because you are reloading the page, right? See, you are submitted the page. The request is processing. It is not a valid. So what you need to do? You need to reload your page. So that is why. When you click create product, submit, come inside. Got it?
Yes.
Got it or not? Now, Samsung Mobile, submit. You see? Samsung Mobile, description, submit. You see? Selecting a brand as Samsung, submit. See? Mobile, submit. Now you say 23,000. When you click submit, you see model status true. Am I right? Because all the values are pre-filled. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
Guys, Akhil, Ashok, everybody. Now what do you need to do? You need to come back, checking the model, build the logic of the every model. See, it is creating a cost. What? Product cost is
Value is
2,000.
invalid.
Okay, I built a small logic. See, I created this and I created only the total cost for the GST. Do I need to add this cost and total
Decimal.
cost, right? So that is the problem. So what do you need to do? Total cost equal to total cost plus product cost. Okay, run it. Pick new product, Samsung Mobile. Just say the description. Select a brand of Samsung. Select a type of mobile. I say 23,000. Submit. Come down. Total cost is 41. You have a product cost. When you add your total cost is 27,140. Now you see this model object will hold all the values filled or not. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everything is filled. You had an ID, you had a GST, you had a brand ID, you had a product cost, you had a product name, you had a description, you had a total cost. Everything has been filled. Now what you will do? You will save the change. Now go back, run it. You see, the record which I created is added. Make sense?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
I want answer from everyone. Is it done? Ashok, Akhil, Mahesh, Nitin, Bora Bhargav,
Done.
got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow, we are running out of the time. Tomorrow we are going to add image. We are going to store it in the project folder. How do we do that? We'll take care tomorrow. Once we done that, the image what we hard coded here in the product service, we hard coded xyz.jpg, right? We are going to dynamically create an image path. We'll do that tomorrow. Once you've done that, creating a product with the image is completed. Understand? Shubham?
Okay.
Shubham,
Yes, sir.
is it correct?
Yes.
Prasanna?
Yes, sir.
Actually, Narendrababu, the image which you are trying to store it in the project folder, better if we can store it in Azure Blob something, right?
I will
Because
come. I will come.
because
That I will do it when I am exposing as an API. Don't worry.
Okay.
See, you are adding data and you are building your front end. Okay.
Mhm.
Let complete your front end. Okay.
Okay.
When you are exposing API, the front end will go and store the data in there and back end will pick the data. For that, I want to create a separate class library project. Understand my point? Okay, I will do that. Clear?
Thank you.
Anything else? Everybody
Thank you,
clear or
Narendrababu.
not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.